It's been a long day, but we got an overnight package that was badass. And this shifter from CMM is their brand new shifter that they're about to release. It goes in the JT. What is awesome about this shifter is it has a hill killer switch on it. So you can switch it to the hill killer mode, and if you're on a hill and need to slam in reverse, you can skip without pushing the button. If you're worried about doing that while you're driving, you just turn this with the Torx back up to standard, and it's standard shifter. I'll show you how easy this bad boy is to put in right now.
What are you doing now?
Popping the boot off the shifter. So it slides off. Slides back in like that. Set screws lines up and holds the boot back on. Boom, done. Look at that. They also did this custom one for Savvy. Even more badass.